Hi, welcome back to my channel. And today we will be doing something very similar to last homework. Today the homework is homework 23, and we are going to be making a double and a string message. A double scalar this time instead of a matrice. And we're going to create this object, cast. That way I can input different things all under one name. So it can take both characters and strings. Obviously I have to make sure all these things are private. This takes a double scalar and a string message. This takes a double matrix and a string message. And this takes a double matrix and a character. So my first input is going to be message, which is character. So that is going to use the input of character and a matrix. And these are all very similar. I'm going to set them equal to each other. And then I'm going to change it to a matrix from characters. And then I'm going to multiply it. And then I'm going to multiply times the inverse. So it encodes and decodes. And then I'm going to print it out. The second one is a message. So it's a string message. So it'll go here. So once it gets past these safeties, and we'll set it equal to each other, it's going to change the string to character, and then it's going to multiply and multiply times the inverse, and then print it out. So I'll run my code. Okay. So I'll show you what happens. So this is the matrix times the character. This is the matrix message. This is the multiplication. Then this is the multiplication times the inverse, so decoding. And then this is the message I get. This is the second one, so this is the matrix times message 2, and this is a string message. So as you see, it's split into 3. That's giving you the idea that it's a 3x3 message. Matrix, multiplication, the decoding, and the letters. Then again, message 3. 3x3 again, just to show that it's going to be a 3x3 matrix. These are the numbers that represent the letters and the characters, multiplication, then the decoding, and the message. And the last one, again 3x3 to show that it's a 3x3 matrix. This is the numbers that represent the letters. We multiplied it, then we multiplied it times the inverse, so we decoded it, and that is your message. What we used here was, this is the parent class, and so the parent class has this set to map to message. So this actually takes a scalar and a character, and it also has this function change to matrix, which means it's gonna take characters and change it to a matrix. In this class, we have change to character, which means it takes a string and it changes it into characters. And then it has a change to mess, which means it's going to take the double matrix and change it back into characters. So that's how we have this. And this child class is extended to the parent class. And that's why, by saying it's protected, the child can actually see the parent class variables. And that is my code. Thank you very much.